Henry VIII's life story explained in 1 minute. Henry VIII was born in 1489 as England's spare prince. When his older brother died, Henry became heir to the throne at age 10. He became king at 18 and seemed perfect. He was tall, athletic, smart and handsome. People called him the ideal Renaissance prince who would bring England glory. But Henry had one obsession that changed everything. He desperately needed a male heir. When his first wife Catherine couldn't give him a son, he wanted a divorce. The Pope refused, so Henry did the unthinkable. He broke with the Catholic Church and created his own, the Church of England. He divorced Catherine and married Anne Boleyn, but she only gave him a daughter. Furious, he had Anne executed. Henry married 4 more times, executing another wife along the way. He became paranoid and violent, killing anyone who opposed him. His quest for power turned him from beloved king into feared tyrant. Ironically, his daughter Elizabeth became England's greatest monarch, proving Henry wrong about needing sons.